Good morning. Today, I'm telling on myself, I'm playing hooky. I have 15 packages left from an insane amount of packages that were due out over the weekend, and it was just too nice out. And to be fair, I was waiting for FedEx to drop off my box order, and I was just kind of sitting, waiting, looking out the window for like an hour, and I was like, you know what? I'm in the mood to go out shopping. So I'm making my way up north, but my first stop is Old Glory. Let's go in and see what we can find. What are these plates? These are so funny. He looks very guilty. Ooh, I kind of like this planter. This is $8, USA Pottery. It's kind of that fun pink material, or pink color, I should say. That rosy black. Yeah, it's been a while since I spent some time here. I've been coming here, but just kind of like as a pit stop when I need a break driving. So it's kind of nice to just be able to spend some time. What is this? Austria. Well, full disclosure, I'm on my way to Emmitsburg to go jewelry shopping, but we're gonna leave no booth unturned. I am gonna be super cheap though, because I'm super cheap in general. This is a really pretty one. Oh my gosh, that micro mosaic with the daisies. And I love this bracelet. I wish I could wear that. I'm really allergic to nickel, and I know a lot of other people are, so I'm hesitant to pick it up. All right, well, you guys know this is my favorite booth to come to. Oh my gosh, look at this awesome ottoman and this owl lamp. Oh, I thought it said $12.50. I was like, what? $125. Yeah. Yeah, this booth has such great prices and such fun stuff. Look at the little pajama doll. That one's $15. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. These usually sell pretty well for me, and this one's really unique. Is this one made in England? This one might be made in England. US, just kidding. Very cool. I love her face. She's kind of got a unique face. She looks different than a lot. Oh my gosh, stop. Look at you. $6.50. I think this is my toy too. This is a really awesome one. Wow. I am so glad I didn't wait for my packages to arrive. I mean, my box order to arrive, and I went out today. Also, look at the Fuzzy Wuzzy kitten book. I love these flocked little books. This is too cute. $4.50. I normally don't do books because they're kind of an awkward shape to ship, but I'm gonna get that because it's too cute not to, and it's in pretty good condition considering its age. Oh my gosh, look at those graphics. Okay, so we got the Fuzzy Wuzzy Bear too, Hansel and Gretel. Oh my gosh, these children's books are everything. I'm gonna come back. I'm just kind of like all over the place. I also have my hands full, so I'm also seeing over here. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this rubber. I love the Allen J, but look at this rubber. Oh my gosh, I'm getting this. This is epic. It doesn't squeak anymore, but I don't care. And what is this? The Allen J. Is that what I'm thinking it is? $5.50. That's so cute. Does this one squeak? Yeah. So we're gonna get all this. Hold on. Oh my gosh, there's stuff everywhere. All right, I dropped some stuff off. Oh my gosh, look at this suitcase. I kind of need this. This is epic. I dropped some stuff off. I forgot what I was saying. Look at this awesome suitcase. I really don't want to ship something that big, but I might get it anyway because it's too epic. I'm trying to take in everything. Look at this little, oh my gosh, look at this gum saver. That's so fun. I love that. I'm gonna get that $2.50. You cannot beat these prices. I'm gonna get a bunch of stuff. Don't worry, I'm not done. I just, you know, I get a little crazed and ahead of myself when I see a full booth like this, and this is awesome. When I see a full booth like this and nobody else is here, I might come back for that. I'm not sure if I want to ship that. It's just kind of an annoying size. Look at this. This is so fun too. This little stuffed animal. Hubert. Oh my gosh, he's fun. I love his vinyl ears. I should get this. It's got a little bit of staining. Oh, you can hear my stomach rumbling. I should have brought breakfast, or lunch, I mean. And I'm just checking out the costume jewelry. Here's another one of the gum parkers. These are so fun. For $2.50 each. I think I'm gonna just get both. And then that is costing. Yeah. Oh, so much fun stuff. Is this a little cigarette case? Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I love cigarette cases. I love anything vintage cigarettes. And then a little bisque cat in a shoe. His expression's not that great, but still, these have been selling really well for me. Maybe I'll come back for it. I'm gonna put some more stuff up at the counter. So I did step away from that booth just for a minute so I could get a fresh perspective because I was getting really carried away. What is this? I don't know what that is. Yeah, lots of fun stuff today. It's been a while since I did the entire antique mall. Whoa, look at those little, oh, that's interesting. Cocktail set with the stones. That's kind of neat. So this is kind of interesting. This is Sarah Coventry, but it's a little vanity mirror. I love the shape of it. And Sarah Coventry, I learned after my Northgate video, is pretty collectible. I kind of like the look of it. I think it would be fun for a collector for $5 basically. Might as well pick that up. And look at this mirror. Wow, that's really pretty. And that's only $7.50. Silver plate. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna grab that. I love these little vintage lipsticks too. Those are so cute. Those would be fun in a display. Oh my gosh, so much fun. Horse. $5.50. That's a really fun one. I'll grab that. What about this little girl? She's got a little damage. Relpo, yeah. Honestly, if her flowers weren't chipped and she's missing her mouth paint, that's a little much for me to look past. More cats, $4.50. This one's $6.50. This looks like Brins. Pull that one aside. This one, this is only $6.50. Does, oh, it's flowers broken, just kidding. I think I'll get this one. And I like this vase here. $7.50 Royal Copley. Oh, it's got a huge crack, just kidding. So here's something I actually saw the other day when I ran in to grab something, and I almost picked it up, and I was like, there's no way that's gonna still be here when I come back. And lo and behold, it is. It's in really good condition, and it's really unique. Now, it's $25, so I would have to start this kind of high, but it's in pristine condition, and I've never seen one quite like it, and it is 1960s. I do think I could make some money off that, and I think that somebody, more importantly, I think this is something that someone would be really excited to find. I'm gonna grab it. It kind of reminds me of like a bowling bag in a way. One thing I haven't tried on Whatnot yet is vintage hats. 15, that's so pretty. All right, let's start from the beginning again and see what we got. Aha, little bone chinas. $3.50, $2.50, squirrels. Well, we're just gonna get all of these, aren't we? Oh, just kidding, the bear is chipped. Let me make sure the rest are all there. The squirrels are plastic, I think. Yeah, the squirrels are plastic. They're still kind of fun though. It's only $2.50. Oh my gosh, how fun is the vintage curling iron? That's epic. I love that. And here we have 3 owl mugs for $6.50. I'm gonna grab those. Yeah, those are Japan. These are really cool too. I love these. 4 Blue Daisy mugs, Japan. Oh, those are really neat. I'm gonna get all this. This is getting out of hand. But also, the owl plaques Oh my gosh. I can't stand these wall hanger thingies that stick in the wall. I always get messed up. $7 for the pair. Well, $8 for the pair, really. We're gonna grab those. I usually sell these anywhere between 17 and 19. I also like this little dog planter. I mean, it's $6. Why not? Right? I don't know. Actually, I'm being weird about this, so I'm gonna leave that. And here's one of those plastic face pixie dolls, $4.50. What? I can't believe its face isn't cracked for that price. Love that. These I feel like are getting harder to find, and I love the pattern on it. I'm gonna grab that. What is this sickly looking bear? Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I don't know how well that would sell though. I'm nervous. I think he needs a home, but stuffed animals have been a little hit or miss, but this one I'm gonna grab. Well, something that is different is that the doll basket is, oh my gosh, it's Carmen Miranda. That looks like Madame Alexander almost. 1930, Hong Kong, Ganada Toys. This looks like doll, $3.50. This looks like, gosh, help me out. One of the Ideal dolls. She's missing her shoes, but still for that price, I'm gonna put her aside. Let's see, what else do they have in here? Little fun, that's a fun little baby doll. $1.50. I kind of love that. Oh my gosh, look at her. This one is a necessity. $2. That is so much fun. Hong Kong. Yeah, I'm gonna grab that. All right, let's see what else we can find in here. I know, I see the Kewpie. $9. That's a cameo one, it looks like. Oh my gosh. That's a really good price. Let's see. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff everywhere. I feel like I would be remiss if I didn't pick up the Kewpie doll. All right, I'm gonna go through my pile one more time. This is a great deal, but I'm gonna leave it. Kewpie, that's also a good deal, but I just don't want to spend that much on it, honestly. I'm gonna get this little weird one. Oh, but she's got no clothes. I'm gonna leave it. I'm being cheap. I'm starting to wind down from my little spree, but I am gonna get these. Let's hit some different booths here. See a lot of, it looks so much fun when it's all together, but, oh, I got a $10 now. I'm gonna save that for Emmitsburg. Oh my gosh, look at that huge Tenala. Wait, what's going on down here? Little stuffed skunk. I've looked at that one before. It wasn't almost for me. I'm not seeing anything that's been replaced that I need. Oh, I love seeing jewelry that's not in cases. Unfortunately, I don't really see anything on the wall that's screaming at me. What is this? Oh, it's got some paint loss. I do kind of like this poodle face. Oh my gosh. What? Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs blow mold ornaments. These are vintage too. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, she's missing her top. Poor thing. But $15 and 20%. Let me see if they're all there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sold. Well, I got super lucky with the case I wanted to see, and the vendor was coming in just as I did, so I got a couple little ballerina pins that are epic. Oh, and a little dachshund pin. Oh, I love this. Salt and pepper shakers. This is such a cool holder. And this is only $5. I kind of want to get that. It's a really neat mid-century look. I've had these with like toothpick holders, but I never actually have seen them with salt and pepper shakers in them. Neat. What about this funny little baby mug? 22. That is pretty cute. I love that it's 3D. I am obsessed. Those are vintage. Those aren't like repop ones. That's awesome. Wow. So fun. Oh my gosh, I need to know how much this brooch is. This is epic too. $10. I don't see a discount sign. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend on that, but it's very neat. You know what? These actually have some scuffing and some wear in places that's not agreeing with me the more I look at them, so I'm gonna put them back. Oh, I see so much fun stuff in this corner. Of course, oh wow, this is really cute. Now these, this material doesn't sell well for me, but I love the little faux flowers in it. What about this spaghetti dog? 25, oh, I love the ones that have the bees on them. Okay, I was gonna say, good, 45, they know. Those damn trolls. Not like damn the trolls, but like DAM. Oh gosh. What is this necklace? That's kind of wild, isn't it? And the bracelet, that's fun. It looks like a giraffe. Well, I'm getting ready to check out because I'm about to lose steam. But I'm really, really curious how much that bag is. I don't want to know because I have a feeling if it was anything even close to reasonable, I would want to keep it for myself, and I really don't need it, but I had to show it off because it's a 10 out of 10 for sure. Well, I can't say I was anticipating doing that, but I got a ton of great stuff. I spent $171 in there, and now I am off to Emmitsburg, and I am going to raid their jewelry cases.